Hi, I'm Mrs. Allen, and I'm going to teach you everything you need to know to start playing the euphonium, sometimes called the baritone. So let's go. I have two styles of euphoniums here. This one here has the bell going straight up, and the valves are here on top. While this one has the bell tilted forward, and the valves are in the front. Now, your euphonium might not look like mine, and your band director might not call it a euphonium. They might call it a baritone. But talking about the difference between the two is a whole other video. And you want to get started playing, right? Okay, great. Let's do that first. We're going to start with the mouthpiece because that's where our sound begins. Whenever you play a wind instrument, you have to form your embouchure. And the embouchure is the shape of your mouth when you play. To form our embouchure on the euphonium, you start off by saying the letter M. Then you're going to pull the corners of your mouth back slightly and point your chin to the floor. M. Then you're going to take a deep breath and blow air through your lips until they start to vibrate, like this. M. Remember to keep your teeth apart. Now let's try it on the mouthpiece. Hold the mouthpiece gently between your thumb and your first 3 fingers. Now take a deep belly breath and blow air through the center of your lips while keeping your corners firm. You're going to place the mouthpiece directly in the middle of your mouth. You should feel your lips vibrating together. This is going to take a lot more air than you think. If it doesn't happen right away, don't worry. Brass instruments take practice, and finding your buzz is different for everyone. Remember, this is a wind instrument, and none of this happens without air. So make sure you take a good, deep belly breath. Practice your buzz on your mouthpiece a bunch of times until you get a nice, consistent sound. Then you can experiment with getting higher and lower sounds by tightening and loosening the corners of your mouth, and increasing and decreasing the flow of your air. Now let's learn how to hold the instrument. You're going to sit up nice and tall on the edge of your chair with your feet flat on the floor. I often tell beginners that holding the euphonium or the baritone is kind of like holding a baby. You're going to wrap your left arm around the bottom and bring the instrument to you. Don't lean down to it. So if it's down here on your lap, you're not going to want to lean down here. You're going to be slouching. Don't lean down to it. Bring the instrument to you. Your left hand helps hold and balance the instrument while your right hand goes on the valves. Your fingers want to stay curved and relaxed like you're holding a small ball. Try to use the pads of your fingers to press down the valves. Let's look at the valves. There are 3 valves on this euphonium. Yours might have 4 valves. The valves go in order from left to right from the player's point of view on this style of euphonium. So I'm looking at them, and this is valve number 1, this is valve number 2, and this is valve number 3. Each finger is used on a specific valve. On the first valve, you'll use your pointer finger, or finger number 1. On the second valve, you'll use your middle finger, or finger number 2. On the third valve, you'll use your ring finger, or finger number 3. When you press down the valves, make sure you press them down all the way, or the instrument won't work right. Now let's talk about our first note. For our first note, we actually aren't going to press down any valves. This is called an open note. You'll probably make one of 2 of these sounds. One's going to be a high sound and one's going to be a low sound. Now, remember to set your embouchure. M, pull your corners back, your chin to the ground, and take a deep breath. Then when you blow into the mouthpiece, you want to say the syllable to. I'm going to demonstrate it for you now. Make sure you keep your air moving steady and fast. If the sound is airy or fuzzy, that's okay. A lot of beginners don't use enough air, so don't be afraid to take a really big breath. Just keep working to get a nice, clear sound. Let's try it together again. Remember to bring the instrument to you. Set your embouchure, M, firm corners, chin to the ground, deep belly breath, and say the syllable to while your air is coming out. If you made a sound today, that's awesome. And if you didn't yet, that's okay too. Learning the euphonium takes time, and every great player started exactly where you are right now. You may need to watch this video a few times to remember everything, and that's completely normal. Just keep trying. Your best is always better than you think. Check out my next video on the first 5 notes of the euphonium. Or is it the baritone? It doesn't matter. What matters is you making some sounds on it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.